Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. On today's video, we're going to keep in the Super Bowl theme, and I thought I'd make a really easy Super Bowl dessert that is not too unhealthy and is sure to please everybody, and that is chocolate strawberries. Now, I actually came across this idea when I was just looking up some Pinterest things for what could I do for a Super Bowl dessert, and I came across these really cute chocolate strawberry footballs. I clicked on the pin and it led me to a website that sells chocolate strawberries in sports related themes, but for a dozen chocolate strawberries it was pretty much 50 bucks. So I knew I could make it for way cheaper, so I decided to do my own version of this, and it's not as professional looking by any means, but it still came out really great. So my version is under $10 and quite easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. So here's everything you're going to need. I just got a regular package of strawberries, and then I got dark chocolate that I can just melt. So I also got white chocolate, which I'm going to be using for the laces of the football. And then I just have a simple pastry bag and a Wilton tip too. I will put all of the things that I used in the description below. Then I just got some skewers. And then I just used a glass bowl. So I just picked the ones that looked kind of the nicest. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt my chocolate in slow increments because you don't want to burn the chocolate. So I usually do 20 to 10 second intervals till the chocolate is nice and melted. And then I'm going to stick my skewer on my strawberry and then just coat the strawberries and let any excess drip off, and then place it directly on some aluminum foil to dry. Then I'm going to melt some of my white chocolate. You don't want to make it too thin because then it will run out of the piping tip, so I did let it cool down a little bit. Once all my chocolate strawberries were dry, I got the piping bag ready, so you just cut the tip off and then put your writing tip right into the bottom. And then I just filled the chocolate into the piping bag. So I found it easiest to do the middle stripe first and then let that dry, because if you tried to do the laces too soon, it would kind of run into each other. And then I did a stripe at the top. And then I did the individual laces. The biggest issue is just making sure that the chocolate isn't so hot that it just drips out of the bag. They came out really well and my kids loved them, so who doesn't like eating sports themed food? I hope you guys like this one. These little footballs turned out super cute. Who doesn't like chocolate on fruit? If you guys are new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe and stick around, so please hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell to always know when I upload new videos. Until next time, I will see you guys.